this is David Kavanaugh. Thought that you see me for a change. I've done some work here in the garage and taking apart the BSA Spitfire some more. So I've put together a work surface here with some sawhorses and some 2x4s and some plywood I had. So yeah, I've been able to spread out and get a little bit better organized. And on Tuesday I ordered these more mufflers on the recommendation from the Brit Bikes list, and they've arrived, and along with some brackets that I believe I'll be painting up. And so today's Saturday, so that was pretty good, especially shipping from England. So I've got the carburetors there, and I've taken apart and cleaned up the air cleaners a bit. I did make an attempt at cleaning up this side cover, but I think that's not going to go well. Getting that chrome off, since it's so hard, where it is sticking, is going to be next to impossible unless there's some other solution people know of. So I am shopping eBay. We'll see what comes up. So on the bike, I've taken out the rocker shafts and the rocker arms, disconnected the rocker oil feed. What else? Unhooked the stay shaft. I've also checked the end play on the crankshaft here. I saw another video of somebody who had repaired a bike that had quite a bit of end play, and so I got vice grips on there, and I can't move that shaft at all. And so I think that's a good sign. I'm not sure what the bottom end, what surprises the bottom end holds, but we'll see. And I've got my push rods and everything kind of in here and labeled, so I can do something with that later. But trying to stay very organized, and so there's that. All right, and I forgot that I've got the factory shop manual, and this is something I'm going to be following along with, and hopefully I'll get the job done right. So my next thing is to loosen up all of the bolts that hold the head on, and then get that off the bike. So yeah, next time I should have the head off, and we'll see about the cylinders. I don't know if I got the right wrench here, but yeah, that's a little bit too small. But some of these nuts on here, first of all, don't have washers, and maybe some of them do, but that one doesn't. And they were also fairly loose. I mean, not super loose, but I got a wrench on it and turn it without much effort. So yeah, a little concerning, but anyway, I'm going to put everything right when I get it back together. Oh, I've also ordered new air filters and Amal carb rebuild kits. So at some point when I feel like fiddling around with carburetors, I'll tackle that as well. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Thanks.